You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French pronunciation of this name. How to pronounce. In French, Joubert, silent T. Joubert. In English, you could have different pronunciations. If you want to emulate the French pronunciation, Joubert. Some may pronounce it in the US as Joubert. How do you say it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.